5 easy ways to make up to $100 a day. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing things a little differently. I usually talk about cryptocurrencies, but today, we're going to be discussing 5 easy ways you can actually make money online without having to rob a bank or even having any money at all. I know the global inflation has affected a lot of people, and because of this, a lot of people are really looking for easier ways to make money online. So, if you're one of those, this video is for you. So make sure you stick to the very end to find out which one will actually work out for you. But before we get started, welcome to Anything Finance, a YouTube channel dedicated to you and your finances. Here, we discuss anything related to making money online. If it's finance, we'll talk about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post similar videos like this. Please like this video and share it with all your friends. And don't be shy to leave a comment for us in the comment section below, cause we'll like to know what you think. Now, let's get to the video. The most fascinating thing about the internet is that it allows you to go into business for yourself from the comfort of your home. All you need is an internet connection, and you can make money online. There's nothing more satisfying than having a job that gives you the freedom to travel and see the world and even spend quality time with your family while still making money. To do these jobs, you don't even need an office, you can even lie on your bed and make it happen, just like that. Just remember guys, nothing in life comes easy. Making money is absolutely one of them, if not the most difficult. So all you need to do is to be consistent, persistent and hardworking. Because, like it or not, hard work is synonymous with success. So these are the 5 online jobs, businesses or careers I know will make you a lot of money, if you do them the right way. Create a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for something, such as singing, cooking, dancing, making people laugh, or even playing practical jokes on people, you can quickly become a billionaire on YouTube. By sharing what we love doing with millions of people worldwide on YouTube, everyday individuals like you and I have a fantastic opportunity to make money online. And did you know that running a YouTube channel is free? I'll say it again, you are not required to pay anything to create a YouTube channel. Just launch your channel, give it some growth, and start earning millions. You can profit from YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, who posts odd antics or stunts on his YouTube channel and earned $54 million in 2021, is the highest paid YouTuber. Jake Paul is another great earner who has amassed $45 million on YouTube by posting entertaining prank videos and boxing content. His reputation from YouTube, and his boxing career enabled him to use his influence to generate income online outside of YouTube. In order to develop a robust, devoted audience on YouTube, your channel should concentrate on a specific niche. For instance, you may make prank videos, review things, teach skills, stream video games, create makeup lessons, or do anything else you believe would appeal to an audience. Making desirable content and exercising patience to let it grow are the keys to making money on YouTube. You may officially monetize your channel with YouTube advertising and start earning cool money once you've amassed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewing hours. Imagine Ryan Kaji earning upwards of $29.5 million every year only for reviewing toys on his YouTube channel when he was just 7 years old. You can accomplish the same feat if he can. Affiliate marketing. One of the first methods of making money online is affiliate marketing, as you may already be aware. This is how it goes. Earn thousands of dollars online by assisting businesses or individuals in selling their items. Okay, if you're still confused, you'll need your own online presence to succeed as an internet entrepreneur, whether it's a website, blog, social media platform, landing page, sales page, banner ad, or e-commerce site. However, you market the goods made by other businesses rather than your own. If you like, you can combine many of these to spread your marketing message to the general audience. Next, choose a popular affiliate niche market that has a large prospective consumer base. To identify trends and find out what's popular on websites like Amazon or JVZoo Affiliate, for instance, look at social media. Deliver pertinent information and marketing messages to your target audience. Customers who use your digital platform to make purchases are redirected to the website of your affiliate partner to complete the transaction, and you are paid a commission for each successful sale. The best thing is that shipping and customer service are taken care of for you. Because all you have to do is promote the products, affiliate marketing is one of the quickest and simplest ways to launch an internet business. You are not responsible for developing products, setting up shipping and payment methods, or managing customer service. You simply direct traffic to the websites of the businesses you are promoting as an affiliate and encourage potential customers who are interested in the product to click through and visit them. If they decide to purchase the product, you are paid a commission for referring the sale. Blogging. Blogging is just like YouTube. The difference is that instead of watching the content, you read the content. Another difference is that you might spend money to create a blog site if you don't want to go for a free blog site. The truth is that before YouTube, many people were able to earn millions online simply by writing. The practice of traditional blogging is still active and thriving today. You only need a domain name, reliable hosting, and a premium blogging platform like WordPress.org or Wix.com to launch your own blog. One of the best paid bloggers, if not the highest, brings home roughly $215,205 every month. Just think of the money you may earn if you put in the work. Find a topic that interests you, be willing to invest a little money, grow your website, and you'll be well on your way to success. Regularly publishing great material will draw in people who share your interests in the knowledge and goods of your specialized market. Your content entices readers to read more and make purchases. These customers are ready to purchase your goods through your posts' affiliate links or advertisements. Why? Because people have grown to know and trust you as a result of your provision of useful, free, targeted content. Numerous bloggers earn money from their blogs by selling advertising space, their own goods and services, or affiliate marketing. A blog and the traffic it receives can be made profitable in a lot of different ways. You can advertise on your blog, promote affiliate items, and market your own goods and services. Drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can sell just about any product in any niche. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method in which a business doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. When a drop shipping retailer sells a product, it purchases the item directly from a third party, a manufacturer, wholesaler, or another retailer that ships the product directly to a customer. Drop shipping is a supply chain management method. These are the parties involved in drop shipping. Manufacturers create the products. They usually don't sell to the public, they sell in bulk to wholesalers and retailers instead. Wholesalers buy products from manufacturers, and then mark them up before selling them to retailers. Wholesalers usually stock products from a variety of manufacturers. Retailers sell products directly to the public, at a markup. A markup refers to the product's retail price minus its initial selling price. And here's how it works. The customer places an order with your business, the retailer. You alert the drop shipping partner, either the manufacturer or the wholesaler, who packages and ships the product to the customer. The drop shipping partner charges you, the retailer, for the service, and you charge the customer. So to make money drop shipping, you act as a storefront that customers visit and order products from. Once they place an order, you charge the consumer, and the drop shipper charges you. You never handle the actual products. It's that simple. Become an influencer. People don't really give it much thought when they learn that someone is a social media influencer. Some people believe that influencers are those who spend their time on social media aimlessly because they have nothing more essential to do. But this is actually not true. If you truly know what you're doing, being an influencer means so much more and may help you generate money online. There are several social media networks available now, including Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And through these channels, folks are earning cool money. Influencing on social media is a full-time profession for some people. For instance, Instagram can be very lucrative if you are able to become well known there. Celebrities get paid the most, with stars like Cristiano Ronaldo and Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, raking in $1.5 million to $1.6 million per sponsored post. Even smaller-scale influencers can now earn more money than they could a few years ago, despite the perception that reality stars, musicians, and athletes are the biggest influencers. With 10,000 followers, a micro-influencer can earn between $250 and $500 for each sponsored post. Mega-influencers are users who have 1 million or more followers. Influencers can earn up to $250,000 for each sponsored post at this level. You must amass a sizable following if you want to become an influencer. The best platforms to get started on? TikTok and Instagram. These channels were frequently where some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers initially experienced notoriety. You can charge for sponsored articles, open your own online store and sell goods, include affiliate links in your bio, sell your images, sell advertisements on your own podcast, develop and sell merch, get paid to attend events, and more as an influencer to earn money. With this, I think we'll pause the video here for today. If you're interested in learning how to make money through these means I've just mentioned, I'll leave the links to some very good YouTube channels where you'll learn how to do these. And that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with anyone you know, friends, foes or even frenemy. Please just share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.